Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Asteria Hair. They did send me this water wave wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. When I say this wig was a 10 out of 10, y'all, it definitely was a 10 out of 10. Not only that, it is HD lace.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. Close.
So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with Asteria Hair. I have worked with this company multiple times, y'all, and they do not disappoint. I did end up installing this wig for the 4th of July. When I say I loved it, I got so many compliments on it, literally. Not only that, y'all, I did not bleach the knots or really pluck it, as y'all seen. I literally did everything with y'all. It is an HD lace. Y'all always got to keep in mind, a good lace is what completes the install, literally. And the wig is full as well, y'all. I definitely recommend, like, sis, this wig is definitely a good wig for vacation or a birthday. So definitely let Asteria know that I did send you. Everything about this company will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 50K. We're gonna run to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.